you can see a game Zynga here, which you play at your home, but this is little different. As you can see, the colors of Zyngas are green and red. Green and red. This is clearly based on a function of RBI, controller of money supply. You all have studied what is the quantitative tool and the qualitative tool, which how the RBI is using it for controlling inflation and deflation. The same way. Now, if RBI is going to increase the bank rate or increase the repo rate or increase the reverse repo rate, then we are going to use green Zynga. Okay, and whenever it is going to reduce, then it is red. Same way for OMO, purchase green and red for sell. Okay, now how we are going to play this? This is a dice where three-sided D, that is deflation given, three-sided I, inflation given. What do you have to do? You have to roll the dice. One situation will come to your team. That situation can be inflation, can be deflation. You need to correct that situation with the use of thing is going to control that situation, and you have to explain the same. Okay, whatever you are getting out, if it is according to the situation, you are going to get 10 mark. For explanation, you are going to get 10 mark. Okay, that means your team is going to get 20 marks for one play, we can say. Okay, now there are 4 teams in our class. Okay, A, B, C, D. One by one I will call, and you have to throw this dice and you have to get the situation, correct the situation, get the marks. Okay, and if your explanation is wrong, you are not able to do maybe you are not able to explain the particular function, then you can pass it to your team member. You can pass it to your team member. If the team member is going to explain that function correctly, then you are going to get 5 marks. That means total 10 plus 5, 15. Zynga, if Zynga is flown, then your team is going to get minus 20. Okay? Understood? Now, starting from team A. Come first. Roll the dice. I means inflation. Your team got inflation.
If reverse repo rate will increase, deposits of commercial bank with RBI will increase as they will get more interest. So they will deposit more money with RBI. So inflation will be controlled.
Correct. Very good. So, inflation again.
Repo rate is the rate of interest on the loans that the central bank of an economy lends to the commercial banks for their short-term needs.
What do you have taken now?
Marginal requirement.
Okay.
It is the difference between the value of loan and the value of asset which a bank provides. If the marginal requirement increases, then there would be less money supply and deflation. There would be more money supply and deflation would be controlled.
Here, when we is it correct, team C? Margin requirement is a gap between loan and the mortgage which we are giving to the bank. If we have increased the margin requirement, are you getting more money or less money? Less money. So you controlled inflation situation or deflation? Inflation.
Yeah.
When we are providing more money to the economy, then deflation is corrected. If we are reducing the money supply in the economy, deflation will be corrected. So both the things are wrong.
Yes,
You can set another team.
OMO is the government securities that RBI sell or purchase. In case of inflation control, RBI sell the government securities and hence the market supply decreases.
Money supply.
Money supply decreases.
As the public is going to purchase, that is our money supply will increase. So this is correct. 10 plus 10. Very good. Team A. Again, come fast.
Repo rate is the interest on short-term loans provided by RBI to commercial banks. If the interest rate decreases, then the money supply increases in the market, so the deflation is controlled.
Very good. Very good. Sit.
Bank rate is the rate at which the central bank provides loans to the commercial bank on for short term for long term. So if we reduce the bank rate, then the money supply will increase in the economy, so deflation will be controlled.
Good. As the cost of borrowing will be reduced. Good. Next, team C. Explain this function. 2.
If the repo rate decreases, then cost of borrowing will decrease and money supply will increase, which will correct the situation of deflation.
Correct. Inflation, situation of inflation is there. Policy situation discourage. Rate is discourage and green is encourage. You can use both of them. You can take the support of both sides. Okay. Discourage.
In model situation, RBI discourages commercial banks by giving them letters and notices, so that if the RBI discourages banks to give the loans, then markets money supply will decrease and it will control the situation of inflation.
Correct. Very good. So we are concluding here with 2 rounds. First, team A got 35, team B got 35, team C 20, team D 40. So the winner is team D, and then team A and B second position, and team C need to work.